Stay on track with your affiliate marketing efforts. Knowing how to start affiliate marketing can be daunting at first, however, it can pay off in the long run. It takes patience and a wealth of knowledge to get started on the right foot. This video will provide specific tips and hints on how to make the most out of affiliate marketing. If you are operating a web business that is providing local services, then you need to start out seeking local sponsorship and traffic rather than wider exposure. Check out the local Chamber of Commerce and local business directories in order to find great listing opportunities. Nothing is better for your search engine rankings than for people to search for your site by name. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. Be honest with your affiliate marketing links. Your readers will appreciate your candid nature and honesty. People can see these things from a mile away, and they know how to bypass you and go straight to the vendor to make their purchase and keep you from getting your cut of the deal. Look for companies that provide two-tier affiliate commission programs. This is a great source of passive income for you. The two-tier program will earn you money if a customer you referred ends up selling the product themselves. You will earn a commission based on the product they sell. In conclusion, you learn not only some basics about affiliate marketing but also some specific ways in which you can apply it to your own business. As long as you are committed and have a goal to work toward, the tips in this video should help you find success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.